Pero meron lang akong gustong sabihin, ha?
Okay.
Alam mo, Gian?
Pare, ikaw yung...
Gian, dali lang. Huwag ka muna magsalita. Paubaya mo na sa akin si Ira. Ano ka ba? Rami-rami ng girls dyan para sa'yo. Akin na siya. Please, please lang. Isang hiling ko lang yung sa'yo. Actually, we're all good friends naman. So,
Pero seryoso ka kay Ira. Alam mo ni Irma yan?
Nagbablush siya. No, well, with Ira and I, of course, Ira is a beautiful girl. She's a classy girl. She's intelligent. So, we're very good friends naman. So, you know, we're close kasi kami yung nag-uusap-usap like backstage. At saka, yun, mabait na mabait siya. At saka very down to earth siya.
Alright.
So, Ira, get well soon.
Thank you very much, Ken. Arms.
Apa.
Okay. Sinasabing ikaw daw ang pinakamagaling na singer sa Cruz Clan. Ibig ba sabihin nun natalbogan mo na si Geneva, Sunshine, at si Donna?
Talo po ako eh. Talo ko sa seksihan. Hindi po siguro. Seryoso, hindi po. Kasi nag-uumpisa pa lang ako sa industriya na to, diba? Hindi po gaya ng mga pinsan ko. Marami na po silang napagdaanan tsaka narating. Marami pa akong kakainin na bigas. Tsaka mataas pong respeto ko po sa kanila. Walang showbiz yun, pero totoo. Totoo po yun.
Alright, Arms, thank you very much. Okay, Dre. Anong masasabi mo na binoto ka lang daw dahil sa social work mo sa street children at hindi dahil sa boses mo?
Honestly,
Yeah?
I'm hurt.
Okay.
Joke.
Okay.
No, really, dahil katakot-takot na practice, rehearsal yung ginawa ko and almost losing my voice. And, you know, the judges seem to agree that I did a good job. So it's unfair. It's unfair.
All right. Well, it's good you said it. Thank you very much, guys. Okay. Sample pa lang yan. You guys have a long way to go and, well, welcome to the business. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, charing! Mga wholesome mga sagot. Thank you very much. Final 12, guys. All right. Tapos na ang grilling session ng ating Final 12 and you all are satisfied with the answers? Satisfied? Good. Mr. C, ikaw naman. Meron akong tanong para sa'yo. Mr. C kasi, marami nagsasabi that this contest is turning out into a popularity contest and not a singing contest. Will you address that issue?
You cannot erase the fact that it's really a popularity contest, aside from being a singing contest. I still believe that the people, it's a learning process. People want to say what they want to say. Keso pangit, keso mas magaling siya, keso... Ganun naman talaga yun. Now, I would still believe in the voting process. It's the people who must choose. We will really say what we want. But actually, I'm going to tell them already starting today.
Okay.
Kumanda kayo kasi there'll be more barbs coming your way because, you know, seryosong talaga to, seryosong competition to. But we will really tell you what's wrong with your performance at that point in time. We're not going to say that that's forever your problem because we will only critique you on that particular performance. Okay? Now, the reason why I believe that the people should vote and not us, and when they say na popularity contest, kasi bakit? Kasi may isang buong community na bumoto sa kanya. Yung isang buong probinsya, binoto si Mau.
Yeah.
Yung isang buong simbahan na members siya ng choir, binoto siya. So, ganun talaga yon. And then when pagsasabihin natin na, paano yung maraming pera na nakabili ng boto, no? You know, something happened in American Idol, and it also happened here. There was a third American Idol. Nung pasok na pasok si Jasmine Trias, medyo natulogan nila, wow, puro Hawaii yata yung bumoboto at saka puro Pilipino. Ang feeling, right there and then, sasabihin mo, why not? Sinusuportahan nila talaga yung kanilang yung kanilang manok, di ba? Now, syempre nag-react yung ibang tao. Hindi pwede mangyari yung kailangan manalo yung pinakamagaling. The same thing happened here. When we thought that Mao was not gonna make it, she made it because, I tell you, a lot of people who I don't know, they come to me and say, alam mo, binoto namin si Mao. See, now, natututo sila. Nakikita nila kung ano dapat yung ilalagay nila ng Philippine Idol.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Hindi ko sinasabi na si Mao ang mananalo.
Aha.
Dahil kada linggo nakakanta sila dyan, iba-iba ang ipapakita nila at iba-iba ang pwede namin sabihin sa kanila. So, pagalingan, matira, matibay, ang pinakamagaling.
Alright. Thank you very much, Mr. C. Alright, guys, you heard it? Maganda na kayo. You got a week to the finals. Good luck to you guys. Okay, mukhang pinawisan ng gusto ang Final 12 natin. Ganun talaga. Pag sikat na kayo, iintrigahin talaga kayo. And wala, sikat na kayo eh. So, congratulations on that. Pero good luck sa upcoming competition. Sa ating pagbabalik, mas mainit pang sitwasyon ang magaganap at ang kakaibang idol contestants naman ang pagpapawisan ng gusto. Ang final results ng kakaibang idol sa ating pagbabalik. Welcome back to Philippine Idol, coming to you live from the Philippine Idol Theater in SM Mega Mall. Ito na ang final results para sa ating kakaibang idol. Sino kaya kina Yova, Leonard, and Shane ang panalo? Ito na, malalaman na natin. Pero bagong yan, tawagin muna natin ang ating pasaway na si Jeffrey Santos Stewart. Bayaw! Ano dito? Okay. Pare ko, ayos ka lang? Okay. Dito ka. Ayan. Ano gusto mo? Away? Alright. Ikaw yun. Okay, basahin mo to Ganito lang. Ganito lang. Yan.
Please step forward. Ito lang.
Okay. Please step forward. Leonard. I'm sorry, Leonard, hindi ikaw ang kakaibang idol. Thank you very much. Okay. Shane, Yova, please join me here.